Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna unbox the Nike edition of the Apple Watch Series 7. So without further ado, let's roll the video. So right now, in the studio we have is a 45mm Nike edition of the Apple Watch Series 7 GPS only in Starlight. That basically is a new shade that replaces the silver color. In terms of packaging, unlike the regular aluminium Apple Watch that comes in a white box, the Nike edition comes in this all black box that itself raises the excitement to unbox it and strap it on. Since I ordered the Apple Watch in Starlight, it comes with the pure platinum and black breathable band that the Nike edition Apple Watches are famous for. And we'll even take a look at the band separately in some time from now. But first, let's take a look at the Apple Watch. Just after you open the box, the first thing you will see is the usual paperwork that reads about the Apple Watch and stuff. Following which, you will notice the newer and updated USB-C charging cable that charges the Series 7 33% faster. And now finally, it's time to check out the main element of the box, and that's the Apple Watch. Just as the tradition of the Apple Watch packing goes, the Series 7 also comes in a sleeve that reads 45mm on the back and gives a paperish feel this year. Setting up the Apple Watch was quite easy, and thanks Apple for making the setup process easier and quicker. Once it was all done, I was just admiring the beauty of the watch, and I realized that the bigger screen with thin bezels looked really amazing, and with the Nike bounce watch face looked like an unbeatable combo. When it comes to the band for the Apple Watch, just like every year, we not only get the sport band in a separate box, but also we do get the band in two size options, which is actually really good. So as a person can choose the band size that will fit him well. Since I have a small wrist, I'll go with the small one. Just after everything was done, I took my utmost time to explore the watch by opening various apps, and I even tried the new full-size keyboard about which I'll be talking in the review. But what impressed me in one go was the super cool animation of the Nike bounce watch face. That, by the way, is the default watch face if you get the Nike edition of Apple Watch. So the initial impressions of wearing the Apple Watch for like few hours for now, I can say that I'm absolutely impressed with the Nike edition of the Series 7. And that's basically because of the two form factors that are, number one, the 45mm case size that enhances the experience of checking the time with the Nike bounce watch face, and number two is the Starlight shade of the Apple Watch. Well, that's it for the first impressions, and to keep you guys updated, I will be posting a complete review of the Series 7 Nike edition a week later from now that will help you give more clarity on the watch. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.